We all have those areas on our bodies that seem to hold on to fat a little tighter, a little longer. For many, it's the dreaded love handles, the pockets of fat that sit stubbornly on the sides of our waist. Love handles, while endearingly named, are often a source of frustration. Why are they so hard to lose? These fat deposits are particularly resistant to exercise and diet compared to fat in other areas. This is partly due to genetics and hormonal influences, but a major culprit often lurks in our kitchens. Sugar, sugar, sugar in its many forms plays a significant role in the development and persistence of love handles. By understanding how sugar affects our bodies, we can begin to tackle this stubborn fat and achieve a slimmer, healthier waistline. Let's delve into the science behind it. Behind sugar's impact on our bodies and explore practical strategies to reduce its influence on our waistlines. Sugar, while seemingly harmless in small doses, can wreak havoc on our bodies, particularly when it comes to fat storage. When we consume excess sugar, our bodies struggle to process it efficiently. Unlike other macronutrients like protein and fat, sugar is quickly broken down into glucose. This rapid influx of glucose into the bloodstream triggers a surge in insulin, a hormone responsible for shuttling glucose into our cells for energy. However, when we consume more sugar than our cells need for immediate energy, our bodies resort to a different strategy: fat storage. The excess glucose is converted into triglycerides, a type of fat, and stored primarily in our liver and adipose tissue, the very tissue that forms those stubborn love handles. This process, repeated over time with consistent high sugar intake, contributes to an expanding waistline and the development of visceral fat, a dangerous type of fat surrounding our internal organs. The link between sugar consumption and belly fat is not just a matter of speculation, it's backed by a wealth of scientific evidence. Numerous studies have demonstrated a strong correlation between high sugar intake, particularly from sugary drinks, and increased visceral fat accumulation. One such study, published in the Journal of Nutrition, found that people who consumed sugary drinks regularly had a significantly greater increase in visceral fat over a 6-year period compared to those who consumed less sugar. Another study, published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, revealed that even short-term high-fructose diets, a type of sugar found abundantly in processed foods and beverages, led to significant increases in liver fat and decreased insulin sensitivity, both risk factors for type 2 diabetes and heart disease. These findings underscore the potent impact of sugar on our waistlines and overall health. Reducing sugar intake is not just about aesthetics, it's about protecting our bodies from a cascade of health problems. Losing weight, particularly from stubborn areas like the love handles, requires a calorie deficit, burning more calories than we consume. However, high sugar intake throws a wrench into this equation, making fat loss an uphill battle. Firstly, sugar is calorie dense, packing in a significant number of calories per serving without providing much nutritional value. This means you can consume a large number of calories from sugary drinks and treats without feeling full, leading to overconsumption and weight gain. Secondly, as we've discussed, excess sugar promotes fat storage, particularly in the abdominal area. This means that even if you're in a calorie deficit, your body may be prioritizing fat storage in the love handle region due to the constant influx of glucose and subsequent insulin spikes. Lastly, high sugar diets can lead to insulin resistance, a condition where our cells become less responsive to insulin signals. This results in chronically elevated insulin levels, further promoting fat storage and making it harder for your body to access stored fat for energy. Reducing sugar intake is crucial for shedding those stubborn love handles. Incorporate simple, sustainable changes into your diet. First, ditch the sugary drinks, replace them with water or unsweetened tea. Read food labels carefully. Avoid products with added sugar. Choose whole, unprocessed foods. Focus on fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Satisfy your sweet tooth naturally. Choose fruits or dark chocolate in moderation. Be patient and persistent. Reducing sugar intake is a journey, not a race. Reducing your sugar intake is not just about fitting into a smaller pair of jeans. It's about reclaiming your health and vitality. By reducing sugar, you're not only tackling those stubborn love handles, but also improving insulin sensitivity. This allows your body to regulate blood sugar levels more effectively, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes and other metabolic disorders. Reducing inflammation is another benefit. Excess sugar contributes to chronic inflammation throughout the body, which is linked to various health problems, including heart disease and cancer. You'll also be boosting energy levels. By stabilizing blood sugar levels, you'll experience more sustained energy throughout the day without the sugar crashes associated with processed foods and drinks, and improving mood and cognitive function. Studies have linked high sugar diets to mood swings, anxiety, and even cognitive decline. Reducing sugar can lead to a clearer mind and a more balanced mood. Remember, losing love handles is not just about aesthetics, it's about investing in your long-term health and well-being. By making conscious choices to reduce sugar intake, you're taking a powerful step towards a healthier, more vibrant you. To fully grasp the stubborn nature of love handles, we must delve deeper into the hormonal interplay triggered by sugar consumption. At the heart of this issue lies insulin resistance, a metabolic disorder that significantly hinders fat loss. As mentioned earlier, insulin acts like a key, unlocking our cells to allow glucose from the bloodstream to enter and be used as energy. However, when we bombard our bodies with a constant influx of sugar, our cells become less responsive to insulin signal. Imagine insulin knocking on the cell's door, but the cell overwhelmed by pressure. Previous sugar surges become sluggish and responding. This is insulin resistance in action. As a result, glucose struggles to enter cells efficiently, leading to elevated blood sugar levels and prompting the pancreas to produce even more insulin. In an attempt to compensate this vicious cycle of high blood sugar and high insulin levels creates a perfect storm for fat storage. Particularly in the abdominal region, insulin in its quest to clear glucose from the bloodstream ends up driving excess glucose into fat cells, contributing to those stubborn love handles. While it's true that consuming excess calories from any source can lead to weight gain, sugar poses a unique challenge when it comes to weight loss, particularly in the battle against love handles. Unlike protein and fat, which are digested and absorbed more slowly, sugar is rapidly broken down into glucose, triggering a rapid spike in blood sugar and insulin levels. This roller coaster of blood sugar and insulin signaling disrupts our body's natural appetite regulation, leaving us feeling hungry and craving more sugary treats. Furthermore, sugar doesn't provide the same satiety signals as protein and fat. This means you can consume a large amount of sugar without. In essence, sugar's impact extends beyond its calorie content. Its unique metabolic effects disrupt hormonal balance, promote fat storage, and interfere with our body's natural appetite regulation, making it a formidable opponent in the quest for a slimmer waistline. Breaking free from sugar's grasp can feel like an uphill battle, and for a good reason too. Sugar can be addictive. Research suggests that sugar activates reward pathways in the brain similar to those activated by addictive drugs. When we consume sugar, our brains release dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward. This dopamine rush reinforces the desire for more sugar, leading to cravings and in some cases addictive-like behaviors. These sugar cravings can sabotage our best efforts to reduce sugar intake and lose those stubborn love handles. We might find ourselves reaching for sugary snacks or drinks even when we're not physically hungry, driven by the powerful pull of sugar's rewarding effects on our brains. Recognizing sugar's addictive potential is crucial for breaking its hold on our dietary choices. By understanding the physiological and psychological factors that drive sugar cravings, we can develop strategies to manage these cravings and make healthier choices. The benefits of reducing sugar intake extend far beyond a slimmer waistline. By breaking free from sugar's grip, we embark on a journey toward comprehensive health improvements. Reducing sugar intake can lead to improved heart health, reduced risk of chronic diseases, increased energy, and better mood. Stabilizing blood sugar levels enhances energy and mental clarity. It also improves mood and emotional well-being. Reducing sugar intake is an investment in a healthier, more vibrant future. Losing love handles is not simply about achieving a certain aesthetic. It's about reclaiming your health and vitality. As we've explored, sugar plays a significant role in the development and persistence of belly fat, making it a key target in our quest for a slimmer waistline. By understanding the science behind sugar's impact on our bodies, we can make informed choices to reduce our intake and support our weight loss goals. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. Focus on making gradual, sustainable changes to your diet, replacing sugary drinks and processed foods with whole, unprocessed alternatives. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your successes, and don't be discouraged by setbacks. Every step you take towards reducing sugar intake is a step towards a healthier, happier you. Embrace the journey, and your body will thank you for it.
Looking for high-quality supplements backed by Dr. Andrew Huberman himself? Check out the links in the description below and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you've learned anything new or anything of value.